Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do WhatsApp message sound setting. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open WhatsApp. Once you open WhatsApp, you simply need to click on three dots in the top right, and then you need to click on settings, and then you need to click on notifications, and here you can see the option of notification tone. Click on that, and here you can select any tone according to your choice. So I'm going to not select any tone. So then you select vibrate. So if you want, you can vibrate for short time, for long time, and these are the pop-up notifications. Okay, and then you need to click on light, so how you can get notified for the message that you receive. So I'm going to select the red one. So this is the process by which you can do WhatsApp message notification sound settings. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.